Hello everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to automate comments on multiple posts of multiple groups through Facebook Blaster Pro. Actually this software is offering you multiple features and everything is connected with each other, especially all-in-one scraper. So here you can scrap group IDs, then you can start doing comments on their posts. So here we have two options to scrap group IDs. First you can like search here and with the keyword, like for example our targeted groups are buy sell group. We're gonna add here this keyword and we're gonna click on search public groups. It will scrap us those IDs. Otherwise we have here scrap group ID. These are for like those groups we have joined in our accounts. You can select here your account and then you can scrap those groups those you have joined from this account. So in this video I will be demonstrating this thing. Now you can watch the video.